and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. For those who are new here, my name is Rose Basamira, and yet today I brought you tips on how to grow your hair longer and faster. So they always say that some people say their hair doesn't grow, but actually your hair grows half an inch, quarter an inch, quarter an inch every month. But because the hair that grows is less than the hair that breaks, so if you see no change, but your hair actually grows. And ways to make sure it grows, actually these are some tips that can help you out. My number one is avoid or limit the use of heat. Of course, that I mean flat irons, blow dryers, that stay away from them. They break hair, they lead to damage of hair, they lead to breakage of hair. So you can, instead of doing it like once a month or twice a month, for some of you, try doing it twice a year. Get other ways of drying your hair. Sit in the sun. There are actually very many ways you can dry your hair that's not related to blow drying or the heat. There are actually many natural ways. You can wrap it in a towel. Just avoid and limit the use of heat. For tip number two, massage your scalp daily. Like I literally mean use your hands and massage your scalp on a daily. You could use oil or not, but it's actually very good. It relaxes your head. It helps in the blood flow and then helps the supplements move to your hair. The supplements that strengthen your hair, keep it thick, keep it strong. So if you massage it, easy blood flow in your head, and then your supplements will easily move to your hair, and that will help your hair grow stronger, uh, darker, thicker. So yeah, just do it on a daily. You can, if you have oil, use oil. If you don't have oil, then don't use oil. I'm sorry, I'm touching my face. I'm not about to don't touch your face. Wash your hands, sanitize. Don't forget, I keep forgetting that. So my number three is protective styling or low manipulation. So if you, and actually this helps if you can get a hairstyle where you can sit and even forget it exists. That's braids, corals, braids. I mean, like you don't need to over pull, do this, do that. It helps it grow in peace, so that you having to. And if you overstyle, like have your natural hair and you keep doing that styling, you weaken the hair strands, and then that leads to breakage. So what? And also with the braids, some people say braids, Baba hair breaks. I don't have a hairline and all that, but the thing is with when they're styling you braids and all that, like plaiting you this hair, you have to, they shouldn't like pick everything, like the little, like this guys over pull your hair and it breaks. Let them just tie it enough, not so much that you can't even breathe. And that's what most African salon stylists do. They over pull the hair and then you end up having no edges. Actually, I'm going to do a video about how to grow your hair edges, but for now, yeah, you have to do such things. It lessens breakage and damage of hair and the stress. My number four is I have a healthy diet and drink water. So this, with the diet, I mean eat more fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and of course take more and more water, as much water as you can need. Your hair is like a plant, it needs hair to grow. It needs hair to grow so much, so drink a lot of water and lessen the processed foods that you take, because they're not good. They don't give enough supplements for your hair. You can eat them, but lessen how much you eat them and increase how more you eat the healthy foods. And literally you'll start seeing progress. Of course, see, I can't grow overnight, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, 1 year, you'll see the difference from what you've been doing and what I've advised you to do. They're just 4 easy tips you can follow. Just 4: avoid or limit heat. 2, massage scalp daily with or without oil. You can do it daily, even many times a day. 3, protective styling. Protective styling. Don't manipulate your hair too much. Let your hair relax. And the last one, you have to have a healthy diet and drink a lot of water. It's simple as that. You're going to move from what I used to have to this. So thank you very much for watching my channel. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, share, comment, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, to my channel, please subscribe, help and I'll grow. And don't forget, stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with soap, sanitize. If you're going out, wear a mask, wear gloves, stay like 4 meters away from the next person next to you. Just stay indoors if you can. Save yourself and save everyone else around you. Bye.